Sir, please, may we come to meet you, sir?
Thank you.
And I have discussed. May you introduce yourself?
Okay, my dear, thank you.
I will not leave the secret.
My name is Prince Chidi Wanya.
I have discussed with the party.
By God's grace.
You should not cry. You have been anointed.
Ikedru.
Let me lick it now.
From Ikedru, sir.
Yes.
Hello.
Amuwo Odofin Kingdom.
I'm going to give you or tell you what you don't know.
And by God's grace.
It was B2.
So has Richie, the second.
It was B2.
Lagos.
Now, why are we here today, sir? We have seen you everywhere. I don't know, many everywhere. Why are you here today? What is happening?
Yes. Why we are here today, and why you are seeing me walking around, working for good, is because
you will not hear this from any other
my in-law, who is no other person than the area commander.
These are battle members, brother and Ndigbo elegant ladies.
The area commander is your in-law.
Yes. So we are celebrating today. His title, who was honored with the title of Amuwo Odofin, on 24th. That's why we're here today. At the same time,
and I get them position.
Year
that if you want to win,
thanking God for
somebody from Eburuaja palace
delivering to 2025.
Okay, so what advice, as an Igbo chief, what advice do you have for Igbos residing in Lagos?
That the woman,
my advice to
that the member of that same palace,
men
that
and women
service
of the country,
we want to anoint
because I so much believe in one Nigeria, is that we should always elevate each other, move forward, carry everybody along.
When I remember the road that woman
at the age of 10 years, that the most difficult thing in life to manage is woman being. But once you're able to manage woman being, that life is easy. We should be helpful to each other. Whatever you can do at that moment to help your fellow woman being.
Whether you like it or not,
because when that moment passes and you don't utilize it, you may not have the opportunity again. So always believe in carrying people along.
What advice do you have for your king?
Am I communicating?
And for the fact that the second is Ojukwu. Is my friend, my king. By God's grace, the little time we have known each other, we have been sharing ideas, looking at the ones that will be favorable, like the last one we did, the opening of foundation, which I was the chairman, and the Vala, which was so successful. I always tell him, let your hands be open, your hearts open, welcome everybody, tell them what is right, and to do it at the right time, because if you don't do the right thing at the right time, it becomes so. That has been my advice, and which has been a good man.
Once again, sir, your name for record purpose.
Prince Chidi Wanya.
Your title, sir.
Onwan Ikedru.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.